Do you have difficulty or pain evacuating? Very common in people who suffer from constipation. They are classic signals that something is wrong with your body. Many times it can be a fiber-poor diet or maybe a trip. But besides that, constipation can happen because of stress, pregnancy, hypothyroidism, colon cancer, multiple sclerosis, and excessive ingestion of medications. The first symptom is a difficulty evacuating, but we can also cite vomiting, abdominal pain, bloating, and loss of appetite. Do you suffer from constipation? In today's video, we will show you 5 foods and recipes that are great natural laxatives and can help you. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe is one of the oldest natural laxatives in the world. With enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes, it helps heal the intestine and acts as a laxative because of the increase of water. How to make aloe juice. Take the leaves and cut the thorny sides. Wash the leaves and remove the yellow part right under the skin. After that, put the gel in a blender following a proportion of 100 grams of pulp to 1 liter of water and blend. If needed, add 1 spoon of honey and a citrus fruit like lemon or orange to make it tastier. Drink 20 milliliters of this juice 2 or 3 times per day, since the excessive consumption may cause nausea, abdominal pains, and diarrhea. Be careful since aloin, a substance present in aloe vera, can irritate the intestines. 2. Papaya. Papaya is delicious and very useful when the problem is constipation. Rich in vitamin A, it helps as a natural laxative and is also good for the eyes, skin, and hair. Papaya is also rich in insoluble fiber and increases the volume of feces. All you need to do is drink a cup of papaya juice every day. Amazing, right? 3. Orange and beet juice. Beet and orange are amazing to prevent constipation since they have fibers that help eliminating feces. Ingredients: 1/2 beet, 1 cup of natural orange juice. In a blender, put the orange juice and the beet, either raw or cooked. Mix until smooth. Drink 250 milliliters 20 minutes before lunch and dinner for 3 days in a row. Is this video helping you so far? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. 4. Grape and flaxseed juice. Both grape and flaxseed help the functioning of the intestines. Learn how to make it. Ingredients: 1 cup of natural grape juice, including the seeds, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. Mix the ingredients in a blender and drink right after. Drink it on an empty stomach every other day or 2 times per week. 5. Plum tea. Plum is rich in fibers, which is good to keep the intestines functioning. To make this tea, remove the pits of 3 plums and leave them soaking in 1 cup of water overnight. The next day, remove plums from water and drink the tea on an empty stomach. Besides these tips to avoid and cure constipation, it is important to keep good eating habits. They include: 1. Avoid consuming flour and granulated sugar. 2. Opt for light meals with varied and balanced foods. 3. Consume more fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. 4. Consume rosemary, oregano, and parsley to aid digestion. 5. Drink water regularly. It is worth noting that serious cases of constipation require medical care. If this is your case, talk to your doctor. If you get constipated once in a while, these tips can help you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.